You're listening to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, created to help you succeed in your Cloud Plus certification journey. Learn more at baremetalcyber.com, where additional prepcasts, books, and training materials await. Let's get started. Understanding cloud storage types is essential for deploying effective and efficient cloud solutions. Cloud platforms offer several storage models, each optimized for different types of workloads. These include block storage for performance-critical systems, file storage for shared access and collaboration, and object storage for scalable, unstructured data. Cloud Plus includes all three under deployment and architecture domains, and candidates must understand the strengths and constraints of each. Storage classification is based on how data is structured, accessed, and maintained. Block, file, and object storage differ significantly in access protocols, consistency models, and performance profiles. Choosing the right storage type ensures that the underlying infrastructure aligns with application requirements and operational goals. Cloud Plus emphasizes the importance of selecting storage based on application behavior and workload characteristics. Block storage simulates traditional hard drives by dividing data into evenly sized, addressable blocks. It provides low latency, high throughput access, and is typically used with virtual machines, databases, or applications requiring direct disk interaction. Cloud Plus includes block storage under performance-sensitive deployment strategies and expects candidates to provision and attach block volumes to cloud compute instances. Common use cases for block storage include operating system volumes, boot drives, and high-performance transactional systems. These workloads benefit from the fast, direct access that block storage provides. Because block storage requires mounting to a compute resource, it offers strong performance but limited sharing capabilities. Candidates must identify scenarios where block storage is preferred for disk-intensive, single-node applications. File storage provides shared access to hierarchical folders and files using protocols such as Network File System, NFS, or Server Message Block, SMB. File storage is ideal for scenarios where multiple systems need access to the same dataset, such as departmental file shares or content repositories. Cloud Plus includes file storage usage, where applications or teams need simultaneous access to structured data. Use cases for file storage include collaborative folders, legacy applications requiring specific file protocols, and systems where access needs to be controlled at the file or directory level. These systems benefit from structured paths and permission models, but may not scale as well as other types. The exam may ask candidates to evaluate file storage compatibility based on protocol support or access frequency. Object storage handles data as discrete objects, each with associated metadata and a unique identifier. Unlike block and file storage, object storage does not require a file system or mounting. It is accessed via HTTP-based APIs and is well suited for cloud-native workloads. Object storage offers high durability and infinite scalability, making it ideal for storing large volumes of unstructured data. Cloud Plus includes object storage for use cases involving backup, archiving, and content delivery. Typical object storage use cases include storing backups, log files, media assets, and software artifacts. These workloads benefit from the flexibility and scale that object storage offers. Applications access data via API calls and objects can be stored across distributed systems for availability. Candidates should recognize when object storage is the best choice for cloud-native applications, or when protocol-free access is required. Storage tiering allows organizations to optimize cost and performance by storing data in different classes based on access frequency. Object storage commonly supports hot, cool, and archive tiers, each with its own durability and retrieval time characteristics. Block and file storage may also support tiers or performance classes. Cloud Plus includes tier selection to help candidates plan for lifecycle management and cost efficiency. Each storage type has distinct access characteristics. Block storage provides low latency, high-performance access ideal for databases and OS volumes. File storage offers moderate performance with structured paths. Object storage is eventually consistent and best suited for access via APIs. Candidates must evaluate workloads to determine which access pattern best supports system responsiveness and user experience. Scalability also varies across storage types. Object storage can scale to exabytes and handle millions of files thanks to its flat namespace and metadata indexing. File storage may be limited by path length or file count, while block storage scales by volume size and number of attachments. Cloud Plus includes planning for future growth and distribution, and candidates must assess the scalability needs of their workloads when selecting a storage model. Each storage model supports data protection mechanisms, but the implementation and control vary. Block and file storage typically rely on external snapshots or backup tools. Object storage supports built-in versioning and replication. All types support encryption and access control, but policy models differ. Candidates must understand how to apply consistent security practices across storage platforms to protect data integrity and availability. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Each storage type operates using specific protocols that define how data is accessed and integrated with systems. Block storage typically uses protocols like ISCSI and Fiber Channel, enabling high-speed communication with operating systems and hypervisors. File storage depends on NFS or SMB, allowing file-level access in shared environments. Object storage uses HTTP or HTTPS APIs, which makes it ideal for cloud-native and cross-platform applications. Cloud Plus requires candidates to recognize protocol compatibility when selecting storage solutions for various workloads. Cost considerations are another major factor in storage selection. Object storage generally offers the lowest cost per gigabyte, especially for infrequently accessed or archived data. Block storage provides the highest performance but at a higher cost, making it suitable for critical applications. File storage is priced in the mid-range and provides the flexibility of shared access. Candidates must evaluate storage pricing in the context of both access frequency and performance requirements to optimize resource allocation. Mounting and access configuration differ between storage types. Block and file storage must be mounted within the operating system or container environment, and each mount requires proper configuration of network access, identity permissions, and file system formatting. Object storage does not require mounting. It is accessed directly via API endpoints and authenticated through tokens or signed URLs. Cloud Plus may present scenarios involving mounting failures or permission issues and require candidates to troubleshoot based on storage type. When working across platforms or cloud providers, object storage is often the most portable solution due to its reliance on HTTP-based APIs and stateless access. Block and file storage tend to be more tied to specific operating systems or virtualization layers. For hybrid or multi-cloud designs, object storage supports global replication and can be accessed from nearly any environment. Cloud Plus includes storage interoperability across clouds and expects candidates to understand the portability of each storage model. Performance metrics such as IOPS, latency, and throughput vary depending on the storage type and configuration. Block storage delivers high IOPS and low latency for demanding applications like databases. File storage provides adequate throughput for shared directories, while object storage supports massive scale but with eventual consistency and higher access latency. Candidates must align storage types with workload performance benchmarks to ensure a proper fit. Monitoring storage usage and performance is essential for capacity planning and fault detection. Administrators should track metrics such as access frequency, response times, and error rates. Alerts should be configured to trigger when capacity thresholds are exceeded or when performance degrades unexpectedly. Cloud Plus includes configuring dashboards and setting storage alerts to ensure visibility and proactive response. Disaster recovery requirements also influence storage selection. Object storage typically includes built-in replication, versioning, and cross-region availability, making it well-suited for long-term data retention and recovery. Block and file storage often require external backup mechanisms such as snapshot scheduling or third-party tools. The exam may test your ability to select the appropriate storage type based on recovery objectives or data redundancy needs. To summarize, cloud storage types block, file, and object. Each offer distinct benefits depending on how data is structured, accessed, and maintained. Block storage is ideal for performance-intensive workloads, file storage supports structured collaboration, and object storage excels at scale and unstructured data management. Cloud Plus candidates must be able to evaluate workload demands and choose the right storage type for security, performance, cost, and recoverability. Mastering cloud storage means understanding not just where to store data, but how to manage it over time. Tier selection, mounting strategies, access protocols, and protection policies all contribute to the success of a storage deployment. Candidates who understand these differences will be better equipped to design resilient, efficient, and cost-effective storage solutions for modern cloud environments. Thanks for tuning in to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, your trusted source for cybersecurity news and insights. Remember to subscribe at baremetalcyber.com so you never miss an update. And visit cyberauthor.me for best-selling cybersecurity books that equip you with expert knowledge. Until next time, stay secure and stay vigilant.